Let me show you how to turn this into this 100% waterproof shower using the Super Kit from Guru. I'll show you everything that comes in the box and then quickly go over how it installs just to give you an idea of what to expect. A styrofoam sill, a roll of waterproofing membrane, shower drain trim, corners, shower valve, and shower head seal. A tube of mastic sealant, this drain connector, which I really love, and of course the pre-made shower pan, which is probably my favorite part. Starting with the drain connector, you cut it out using their template and glue it and screw it into place. If you have to cut your shower pan, you can use a saw or you can use a razor knife, which is much cleaner. It just takes a little bit longer. If you're wondering about the pan, it's a really hard foam that starts at 7/8 at the thickest point. To install it, you just thin set it into place, and you want to make sure you get really good coverage is all. And I like to walk on it like crazy to really squish it in there and make sure it's covered well. You can cut the sill with whatever works best, but I like using a saw so I can get a really nice clean cut. This can thin set into place, but I'm using the mastic because I'm putting it onto wood, and I also like to screw it down just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. You just want to cover your heads with the membrane or the mastic, which I'm doing right here on the shower drain. That's what seals that, and this ring locks into place and you're good to go. Because I only had to cut two sides of the pan, I'm able to use the flange to seal up this side around the sill. The kit comes with one 33-foot roll of membrane or two 16-foot rolls. And to install it, you just apply thin set to the wall with an 8-notch trowel. And then you just stick that membrane to the wall and use a putty knife to push out all of the air bubbles without pushing out too much of the thin set. And you need to make sure you lap your membrane 4 inches. The corners are the only place where the membrane is not lapping 4 inches. So you have special corner pieces for that, for the inside and outside corners. And you just use a putty knife to hold it in place and pull out any air bubbles and make it nice and smooth. I like to wipe everything down with a sponge just to make sure there's no buildup, and it should look something like that. I'm using the tube of sealant to install the mixing valve seal, just so you can have an idea of what that looks like. Same process, just use putty knives to smooth it all out. Now, once you finish all these steps, you have a 100% waterproof system that is ready for tile. For more information, you can visit Place for Pros. They supply all of your Guru needs and plenty of educational videos to make sure you get the job done right. And I will put all the information you need in the description.